Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disconnect Steam from Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Discord is a popular free VoIP and instant messaging social platform designed for creating communities via voice, video, and text voice channels. Steam is the largest digital distribution platform from PC gaming, allowing users to buy, play, and discuss games. So together they form the primary communication and gaming hub for millions of gamers. On my previous video, I've shown you how to link your Steam account to Discord. But now, what if you want to unlink your Steam account from your Discord profile? Maybe for some reason, maybe because you no longer use your Steam account. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now, I will show you. You can open your profile. I will show you first. And here, I've connected my Steam to my Discord. And now I want to remove it. I want to unlink it. You can go to settings to your Discord like this. Now you can go to connection. From connection, you can see there's an option Steam, like Steam, Spotify, and your games, connections on your Discord. Now if you want to remove Steam from your Discord account, maybe you just want to remove from your display, profile display, you can just remove the toggle in here. But if you want to unlink, you want to disconnect, you can select on this. When you disconnect your Steam account from your Discord, you will no longer be able to access features of the Steam connection on your Discord account. You will also be removed from server that required it. You can select on disconnect, so you have disconnect, you have unlinked that your Steam account from your Discord. But in here, we'll just remove from display on profile. Let's check it. I will just disconnect like this, and if you see on your Discord account, I will try to reopen my Discord account. There's no more Steam account on this connection on your Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove, how to unlink connection on your from the Steam from your Discord account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.